Hello everyone. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to discover the wonderful seasons of the year. Learn about special moments in our Earth's journey around the sun, and understand the concept of a year. Are you ready to explore the magic of the seasons and the concept of time? Great, let's get started. Our first season is spring. Spring is when everything comes to life, the flowers bloom, and the trees grow new leaves. It's a time of rebirth and growth. In spring, the world undergoes a remarkable transformation. The once dormant landscapes burst into a riot of colors with the arrival of beautiful flowers, like tulips and daffodils. These vibrant blooms paint gardens and meadows with shades of red, yellow, and pink, creating a stunning natural tapestry. But spring is not just about visual beauty. It's a season of growth and renewal. As the days grow longer and warmer, butterflies emerge from their winter hiding places. In addition to the visual spectacle, spring brings much-needed rain showers. These showers are like a gift from the sky, nourishing the thirsty plants and aiding their growth. The raindrops quench the earth's thirst, making it lush and green, and the plants stretch towards the sun, reaching for warmth and light. Next up, we have summer. Summer is when the weather gets warm and sunny. It's the perfect time to go to the beach, have picnics. During summer, we also enjoy the sunshine, savor delicious ice cream, and have fun playing on the beach. It's a season full of adventure, where we can watch fireworks light up the night sky and catch fireflies. Now, it's time for fall, also known as autumn. In fall, the leaves on the trees change color and fall to the ground. We can play in piles of colorful leaves, visit the pumpkin patch to pick out pumpkins, and go apple picking. Fall is a cozy season. And last but not least, in the fall, Halloween arrives, bringing the fun tradition of playing tricks and going trick-or-treating to collect delicious candies. Finally, we have winter. Winter is the season of snow and cold weather. It's a time for building snowmen and having snowball fights. During winter, we can catch snowflakes on our tongues and enjoy hot chocolate. It's a chilly but wonderful time of year. Winter offers a wide variety of sports and activities that are best enjoyed in colder weather. Some of these include dog sledding, ice skating, and skiing. Before we explain what causes the four seasons, do you know what distinguishes the Northern and Southern Hemispheres? It's the Equator, an imaginary line that encircles the Earth. So, where do you live? Is it in the Northern or Southern Hemispheres? Let's explore something fascinating, the solar dilemma. Have you ever thought about how the sun moves across the sky every day? It rises in the east in the morning, travels across the sky, and sets in the west in the evening. It also appears to move up and down. Now, imagine taking a picture of the sun at the same time every day for an entire year. What you discover is truly amazing. The path the sun follows in the sky creates a special shape that looks like the number 8. This unique shape is known as the solar dilemma. It helps scientists and astronomers understand the sun's journey in the sky throughout the year, which, in turn, helps us know when the seasons change and where the sun will be at different times. It's like a beautiful map of the sun's path in the sky. I almost forgot. There's one important concept to understand: the Prime Meridian. Are you familiar with it? The Prime Meridian is an invisible line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole, dividing the Earth into the Eastern and Western Hemispheres. Now, let's talk about something really cool: the solstices and equinoxes, and how they relate to a year. You see, as our Earth goes around the sun, it completes one full turn, which takes 365 days. But wait, there's a little extra time, about 6 hours more. That's why we have something called a leap year. Every 4 years, we add one extra day, 24 hours, on February 29th, to make up for those extra 6 hours each year. This keeps our calendars in sync with the Earth's journey around the Sun. The summer solstice, which happens around June 21st, is the day when the Northern Hemisphere gets the most sunlight. It's the longest day of the year and marks the start of summer. On the other hand, the winter solstice, around December 21st, is when the Northern Hemisphere gets the least sunlight. It's the shortest day of the year, and that's when winter starts here. Equinoxes happen around March 21st and September 23rd. During these times, day and night are nearly the same length, and we're right in the middle of spring or fall. Do you remember that we talked about the equator line? Now it's going to be useful to learn that when it's summer in the Northern Hemisphere, it's winter in the Southern Hemisphere, and vice versa. So, while we're building snowmen in our winter, kids in the Southern Hemisphere are enjoying their summer fun. And it all happens because the Earth is tilted to approximately 23.4 degrees. Speaking of the equator line, if you live near it, your experience of the seasons can be quite different from those living in the tropics. The seasons are almost the same throughout the year. So, now you know all about the 4 seasons, solstices, equinoxes, and how the Earth's journey around the Sun completes one full year. I hope you had fun learning about all these amazing things today. You can go outside and explore the magic of each season. And remember, there's a whole world of different experiences out there as our Earth takes its journey around the Sun. Thank you for joining us on this seasonal adventure. Have a fantastic year full of fun and discoveries here on Play with Gaga.